Hello traders, Vladimir here from Home Trader Club, and this video is the analysis and a follow-up on the pound dollar. Let's begin. Before we start, big thanks and thumbs up to 8K Broker for supporting our channel to enjoy all the special offers we have with 8K Broker, including the access to all of our project, Home Trader Club, private mentoring session, and so much more. Follow the link below this video in the description or in the bio. On the recent weekly forecast, we discussed about the pound dollar that as soon as we enter this very area, which is a major supply zone on a daily chart, and as soon as we got the bounce of the falling trend line on the 4-hour chart, we're gonna experience the bearish divergence and potential bounces to the downside. So as we can see on the pound dollar, ignore the lines, this is a trade I published yesterday in Home Trader Club. This is the sell opportunity we spotted on real time. Let's take a look what will happen next. You know what, I will explain quickly what did we do here so you understand better. So the 4-hour chart divergence, the daily supply, and you know my trading strategies are based on 3 time frame synchronization and lineup. In that case, there was a 4-hour chart cycle, a daily supply zone, and the 1-hour chart made the absolutely phenomenal reversal sign. Bearish divergence on the MACD and bearish convergence, lower lows on the chart, lower lows on the indicator. So for us, the plan was here, sell the rallies with these Fibonacci levels as target zone. The Fibonacci levels are there, but also pay attention to the major volume zone. Based on volume profile zone, this is an absolutely strong balance area. So what's next with the pound dollar? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. You know what, I'll go to the black screen, it will be easier to draw with free of lines. So here is what we see on the pound dollar. We have several very important things here. First of all, the rising trend line. Second, we have major demand areas. Take a look on this. Demand, where the buyers are in control, right? And we also have the broken resistance that now will act as the support, which is another thing to pay attention to. And of course, the lows of the downtrend. We have a low here, and we have a low here. All that create, it's a bit wide, but all that creates huge potential buy zone for the pound dollar. Now, why am I after the buys here? For that, I want to go back to the daily chart and want to remind you what we just discussed in the weekly forecast, which you can, of course, watch in our YouTube channel if you missed it. According to the triangle that is developing at the moment with the 5 spots, there are always 2 scenarios from here. 1, break, retest, and continuation. 2, which is more common, bounce and then the breakout. And the bounce usually goes to the Fibonacci levels. Okay, we have, as the higher time frame is bullish, 23.6 up to 38.2 is very logical zone, while in rare cases it can drop lower to 50 or 61.8, but usually 23 or 38.2 are the ones that the market comes to respect before the break happens to be. And that's exactly what I anticipate and want to see from the pound dollar making. Getting there, provide some bullish opportunity, provide some bullish divergence. For example, 2 lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the MACD, and go buy. Another possible scenario is we go down here, retest the trend line, complete a bullish hidden divergence, higher lows on the chart versus lower lows on the indicator, which again will give a beautiful buy opportunity. Share with me what do you think about the pound dollar in the comment section. And now I want to thank you for watching. As always, I hope you find value in this one. Don't forget to like. If you do, feel free to share this video with anyone you believe can benefit watching that. And I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you are new to this channel. with the subscribe button below this video. And I want to invite you to the trading family of ours, the Home Trader Club, where you get your access to our comprehensive, complete trading courses, real-time trading opportunities, and real-time trading education, access to the community, so much more. Join our family. The link below this video in the description or the bio. Best to you and yours. I'll see you soon with more. Good trading.